So I'm stuck on the side of the road here on a back road in California. Bike was like lurching in like fourth or fifth gear when I was driving. I drove it for like 10 or so, 15 miles like the last hour or so, and it was fine. And it started lurching all of a sudden and then died, and I had to coast to a stop here on the side of the road. And I'm hoping it's that the air intakes are like off the carburetors somewhat. Unfortunately, I don't have any tools to remove this panel, so it's really hard to like get them back on there, but I'm hoping that's it, because when I turn it on, like it sort of starts, but then it dies. So let's see. All right, so I was too tired to film this the other night. I think I broke down like 8:20 p.m. and I got home like 10:20 p.m. So it took me like 2 hours to deal with everything and get it home. The carburetor, the sleeve from the air box to the carburetor being off the carburetor is what caused the bike to die. I managed to get them on well enough after my dad brought some tools to ride it home. But yeah, that's a really annoying thing to have happen to you, so definitely want to keep some tools like a little screwdriver and a little Allen wrench to take off the side panel under the seat. But what I did is I got some two hose clamps, like $2 each, from a hardware store, and I put them on there on the sleeve, and then pushed the sleeve onto the carburetor and tightened down the hose clamp. So that should keep them on there pretty well and fix the problem from now on.